Uh, Hello everyone. Today I thought I'll talk to you guys directly, other than the videos I'm making right now, and I'm posting on Facebook and YouTube. So this thought just came into my mind that we are doing something which is helping us to improve our skills, like how to communicate, how to be open about our thoughts or what is going on in our minds. So accordingly, I thought that we should make videos of it and post it, because normally we just talk about it and we forget it, and other than that nothing happens. So once I started doing this, I felt like, yes, I'm doing this and I'm posting videos, but those videos which I'm posting, is anyone looking at them? Has anyone thought about it, like, okay, this is something different, this is something new, so we should at least, we should give few minutes of our time to see these videos. But again, what happens normally, which even I have done in the past, like whenever there's a new video, or any photo or anything comes up, what we do is we just scroll back and forth, and then we like it, or we at least look at that picture a bit clearly, that okay, and we try to see that this picture was like, oh, how it was clicked, who has clicked it, and all those things. We don't think about it, we just scroll and scroll, and maybe if it comes into our mind that okay, I should give a like, or okay, today I'm in a good mood, so I'll share it. But do we give a thought that, is that video or picture going to help me or help anyone else to make their lives better? Most of the time we don't think about it, because social media has become like so stagnant with the stuff that actually we don't need it. Most of the pictures and videos are there which don't help us in any way. So in our mind, we have thought like, okay, we should just ignore it right now, just scroll. We need to, and then we do ignore them, and after that, sometimes that picture video again comes up in your news feed, and then you sometimes maybe think, okay, today I'm in a good mood, so I'll just leave a like or maybe share it. But then again, it will be better if you just give few minutes to see that video, and at least try to understand the person or the people who are trying to make that video, why they are doing it. If you think about it a little bit, that they are working towards achieving a goal. So they have something in their mind, like, I have a goal, like, yes, I want to make it big, I want to achieve something in my life which is bigger than so many things right now which I'm doing. Like, you might be doing a job, you might be part of a business which you're making it work, but then again, there is always something in your mind and heart that you want to make a name for yourself. You want to become famous, or you want to build wealth. It can be anything, it can be for any reason. So at least give a thought that, if I share this, if I help the people who are trying to make these videos or pictures or course or whatever, it will help them. It will help you also, because what happens normally, when I started making videos, which is very recent, I started posting it, and then I approached people whom I already know, or who are part of my circle in my personal life, and on Facebook. So they start liking it. Like, if I know like 100 people, barely like 10 or less than 10 people will at least think of watching that video completely, or then they will leave a like or subscribe to my channel or whatever. But if they do that, then it will make a great impact in my life, because this is for the first time trying to do something which is very different. I was always thinking about it, like, okay, in my daily routine, whatever I'm doing, it is there, it is happening, but I'm not completely happy from my heart that I have done something. I have, it's kind of an undescribable feeling. I want to make it big. I want to achieve greatness. Uh, I give time for my body. I give a great deal about my fitness, and accordingly I take actions. But then again, when it comes to making something big, contribute to your society, to your family, we don't do anything. So if you think you want to do something, at least help and support the people who are around you. They are trying to do something. Help them. I will give few examples like which from which I've personally I have benefited. Like in fitness, I believe in that completely. You should take care of yourself. You should love yourself. You should look after your body, which will be with you till your death. No one else is going to be there for you. You are going to live with yourself. So take care of your body, take care of your fitness. So on Instagram, on social media, like there are different people who are promoting different fitness packages and so many other things. So if you think you can benefit from it, support them. Give a like, give a share to their post, tell them, comment that okay, if you have liked it, if you haven't liked their content, let them know so they can do something about it, they can improve. Simultaneously it will contribute to other people also. The same way, yes, I'm making the videos, I try to bring up different subjects which I talk to with my family, but then again there are so many other different things which I want to do, and definitely you will be seeing me doing all those things. What I want to do in future is contribute. Contribution means for me that whatever I'm doing, other people should also benefit from it. They should learn. They should try to implement few positive things in their life which will help them immensely. So I try to do that. In fitness also, definitely if I can do something, I'll do it. Other than that, I want to say finally that if you see someone in your circle or people who you only know, if they're doing something, they have started a business, they are giving their everything, they are struggling, maybe it might be their side hustle, that other than doing a job they are doing something separately, help them, support them. Definitely there will be a time when people will say that okay, you know this person, right? Okay, great. You can say proudly, yes, I know this person, I helped him. Or you can feel proud and happy that you are part of their life because you just shared a picture they ever shared with you, a video they made it and published it, and you shared it. So I would say step up, speak up, contribute in other people's life wherein you will benefit from them, and they will also grow in their life and they will achieve greatness and leave a great legacy. Thank you so much. I will come back again and I will try to do this every now and then, which I like it very much. Thank you. See you soon.